Call us first. You want to get the water damage area cleaned up as soon as possible. You want the job completed quickly by competent and qualified restoration technicians at a fair price. Call us first. You want the damage cleaned up before further structural damage and mold sets in. Leave your water damage cleanup to us. We have over 35 years of experience in damaged restoration services. We can handle your water issues. Call us day or night. We can help you, and we are waiting for your call now.